Welcome everybody, it's Mike Smith here from Hawkeye Options, and we're looking at a BAC chart, Bank of America, and this is not atypical of where the financial stocks are at the moment and where the index is at the moment also, of course. So we've got the S&P 500 edging closer towards that critical 2100 mark that we've talked about previously, and if we look at BAC, we see that it's edging towards a critical price point as well. What we do see on BAC is if we look on the weekly chart, we see buying volume there, although we're still in congestion. On the 2-day chart, interestingly, we're in uptrend. And of course, we've seen buying volume coming in towards the back end of the week. We are still in congestion on the daily chart and need to see a green bar of volume there, which will happen if we see a break of this pivot high here. Now, we've got one around about 1520, but which corresponds to these highs we saw here, these closing highs we saw here. So that would be an aggressive entry around about 1520, and a more conservative entry would be a break of this pivot high that we see mid-April, around about the 1535 mark. So really, this is something to have a look at in the last hour. If we see a break of that pivot high, then we could potentially enter a trade. In terms of strategy, it's difficult to ignore the potential for a bought call if we see a break of 2100 on the S&P 500. But those planets have got to be aligned. Be patient. It may take a couple of days if it's going to happen at all. And if it doesn't, there may be bear call spread opportunities. And that's just one of the trades I'm considering for today. So before we go, if you'd like to see everything I'm considering and see the trades I'm really taking, why not take a trial to my Options Elite alert and training service? That way, you can see exactly how I find the best trades that can produce the largest returns whilst keeping the risk low. Just click on the link below and get started today. You'll be glad you did. See you soon.